Hi friends, welcome to our new episode of Employment News for BE BTech Mechanical Engineers 1st February 2021. In this video, you can watch job opportunities in government sector, private sector and opportunities in apprenticeship training. From our channel Mech Engineering World, every Monday we will upload new employment opportunities for mechanical engineers. This week, in this video, we are included 11 government jobs, 4 private jobs and 1 apprenticeship training. In this first government jobs. In government job, first job is short service commission officers at Indian Navy. Applications are invited from unmarried men and women candidates for grant of short service commission in technical branch naval constructor. Entries in the Indian Navy of course commencing June 2021 at the Indian Naval Academy, Edumala, Kerala. Selected candidates are inducted as sub-lieutenant. Final year students 2021 batch also eligible to apply. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Qualification is BE or BTech mechanical engineers with minimum 60% of marks. Pay and allowances are 56,100 to 1,77,500 plus MSP RS 15,500. Age limit is 20 to 25. Short service commission is granted initially for 10 years, extendable further for years subject to vacancy. Selection procedure. Shortlisting for SSB. Shortlisting of application will be based on preferences of marks obtained by the candidates in the qualifying degree. Approximately 800 candidates will be shortlisted for SSB. Shortlisted candidates will be intimated through mail or SMS. SSB procedure. SSB interview will be conducted at Bhopal, Bangalore, Visakhapatnam or Calcutta in March 21 or thereafter. Details of SSB procedure are available in Indian Navy website as shown on screen. Medical. SSB recommended candidates are required to undergo medical examination as applicable to their entry. How to apply? Interested candidates are registered and fill application on Indian Navy website as shown on screen from 10th February 2021 to 18th February 2021. Next is Mechanical Engineer at Oil India Limited. Oil India Limited is a Navaratna public sector undertaking, is the pioneer and second largest national upstream oil and gas company with a pan-India presence and a growing global footprint. Oil is engaged in exploration, production and transportation of crude oil, natural gas and manufacture of LPG. Oil India Limited intended to engage the mechanical engineer on contract basis for its online operation in projects department purely for temporary requirement for a period of 6 months, extendable by another 6 months for a maximum period of 1 year. Consolidated salary will be 45,000, appraised limited will be 65 years. Selection process. The candidates will be selected based on the online personal interview of total 100 marks. The breakup of 100 marks will be on professional knowledge and skills, professional knowledge and skills in allied discipline, personal attributes and soft skill, etc. How to apply? Interested candidates shall apply only through email as mail ID as shown on screen with relevant documents and applications form as per advertisement on or before 12th February 2021. Detailed advertisement can be available at the website as shown on screen. I will provide this website ID in my description also. Next is Project Engineer 1 Mechanical at Bharat Electronics Limited. BEL is a Navaratna company and India's premier professional electronics company under Ministry of Defence. Requires Project Engineer 1 Mechanical on contract basis for its Hyderabad unit. Pay scale is 35,000, 40,000, 45,000 and 50,000 for first, second, third and fourth year of contract respectively. Postcode is PEME. Application fee is 500 for general and no fee for SC/ST PWD candidates. Experience required for the post is 2 years. Appraisal limit is 28 years. Selection procedure. Candidates will be shortlisted in the order of merit based on marks obtained in BE, BTech and number of years of experience. Only those candidates shortlisted will be called for the virtual interview. How to apply? Interested candidates should submit the application in the prescribed format appended to the advertisement along with the self-attested photocopies of the all relevant documents through speed post only to the address as shown on screen on or before 18th February 2021. Next is Junior Manager at Ferro Scrap Nigam Limited. Ferro Scrap Nigam Limited is a Government of India Miniratna IMS certificate under Ministry of Steel. FSNL is a wholly owned subsidiary of MSTC Limited. FSNL has over the years evolved as pioneer organization in the field of steel mill services. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Consultant pay will be 40,000. Age limit is 30 years. Experience required for the post is 3 years and above. Application fee is 500 for general and no fee for SC/ST candidates. How to apply? Interested candidates need to fill the application through prescribed format and send to the FSNL office Chhattisgarh through post on or before 20th February 2021. Next is Engineer Mechanical at Kadarmukh Iron Ore Company Limited. Kadarmukh Iron Ore Company Limited is a flagship company under the Ministry of Steel, Government of India. Was formed on 2nd April 1976 for mining and beneficial of low-grade iron ore at Kadarmukh, Karnataka. KIOCL has been pioneer with over 4 decades of experience in operating iron ore mining, beneficiation and iron oxide pelletizing in the country. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Scale of pay is 30,000 to 1,20,000 plus other applicable allowances. Age is 35. Experience required for the post is 3 years in the area of operation and maintenance of pellet plant and iron ore beneficiation plant, raw material handling, etc. Period of contract: engagement on contract basis initially for a period of 2 years. Contract can be extendable for another 2 years depending upon the requirement of the company and satisfactory performance of the candidate. How to apply? Interested candidates need to apply online in HR current opening section of KIOCL website as shown on screen from 27th January 2021 to 24th February 2021. After applying online, the candidates is required to send the printout of filled online application form with the required documents to the address shown on screen on or before 1st March 2021. Next is some last date of jobs already informed in previous videos. Project Officer Mechanical at Cochin Shipyard Limited's last date is 2nd February 2021. Executive Grade 2 Project at Utkarsha Aluminium Dhatu Nigam Limited's last date is 2nd February 2021. Project Engineer 1 Mechanical at Bell K-Phone Project Kerala's last date is 4th February 2021. Section Engineer Mechanical at MMOCL last date is 8th February 2021. Engineer Training at MSME Technology Center Siddhargunj last date is 15th February 2021. Supervisor at India Government Mins SPMCL Kolkata's last date is 19th February 2021. That's all for government jobs. Next is private jobs. In private job, first is Service Engineer at Aerox Technologies Private Limited. Aerox Technologies Limited is a highly skilled team of professionals serving hospital and medical industry since 2011. Aerox is associated with Aircep Corporation USA to promote PSA oxygen generator, Horting Germany for pneumatic tube systems. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 years. Salary offered are 1,50,000 to 2 lakh per annum. Job description: experience in air compressor and screw compressor, having knowledge of maintenance and installation of air compressor and screw compressor, experience in Atlas Copco or LG compressors. Role is service or maintenance engineer. Industry type is medical healthcare. Function area is production. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can send their latest CV to the mail ID as shown on screen. Next is CAE Engineer ANSYS Analyst at Design Tech Systems Private Limited, Hyderabad. Design Tech Systems is a leading CAD CAM, CAE, PLM, PRPT solutions, 3D printers, additive manufacturing technologies and engineering service provider from India with more than 18 years of experience. They have been working with the companies from cross vertical domains from India and overseas to support them in their most complex and challenging engineering initiatives while helping them deriving best returns on their investment. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 years. Salary is not disclosed by the employer. Role and responsibility: mechanical engineer in ANSYS. Preferred industry: automotive and any. Work independently. The candidates should ready join in the internship program based on their tool test performance. Preferred local or nearby location candidates. Role: design engineer. Industry type is IT, software, automobile. Function area is engineering, design and R&D. It's a full-time permanent job. Industry candidates can apply through their website as shown on screen or can send their CV to neha.garg@designtechsys.com. Next is engineer projects at John Crane, Bangalore. John Crane is an American company, now a subsidiary of Smith Group and provider of engineered products and services include mechanical seal, coupling, hydrodynamic bearings, seal support system, filtration system and artificial lift. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 3 to 5 years. Location is Asia Pacific, Bangalore. Job description: the successful candidates will be responsible for delivering competitive project specific techno-commercial bids and clean handover for execution in collaboration with the stakeholders that primarily include front-end sales teams, global engineering, order engineering, global operations, etc. Role is engineer projects. Industry type is mechanical seal. So function area is production. It's a full-time permanent job. Industry candidates can apply through their website as shown on screen. Next is engineer piping layout at L&T Hydrocarbon Limited. Larsen & Toubro Limited is commonly known as L&T, is an Indian technology, engineering, construction, manufacturing and financial service conglomerate headquartered in Mumbai. The company has business interests in the basic and heavy engineering, construction, realty, manufacturing of capital goods, information technology and financial service, etc. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 3 to 5 years. Location is Vadodara. Shall function as a piping engineer for assigned project, responsible for preparation of equipment layout, piping GAD, isometric nozzle orientation and piping load data drawing, carry out piping routing studies, material takeoff, etc. Role is piping engineer. Industry type is construction, manufacturing. Employment type is full-time permanent. Industry candidates can apply through their website as shown on screen. That's all for private jobs. Next is apprenticeship training. In apprenticeship training, first one is graduate apprentice trainees at Instrument Research and Development Establishment IRDE DRDO. IRDE is a laboratory of the DRDO located in Dehradun. Its primary function is research and development in the field of optical and electro-optical instrumentation. Their objective is to develop products like night vision devices, electro-optical surveillances and fire control systems, etc. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Candidates who have passed in the year of 2018-19, 2020 are only eligible to apply. Age limit is 28. Stipend offered are 9,000. Selection procedure. Selection shall be based on the merit as per marks secured in the degree course. Details of shortlisted candidates will be published on the DRDO website. Industry eligible candidates must register themselves in the NATS portal as shown on screen. Then candidates should send scanned copies of certificates with a duly filled application form in a single PDF file to cao@irde.drdo.in. Duly filled application form with the enclosures should send to the address as shown on screen on or before 1st February 2021. That's all for this week's employment news video. For the next employment news video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.